In this video I want to explain to you how you can export data generated in your GAMA simulations in a CSV file. To show you how to export data from your GAMA model into CSV file, I want to use the same test model as I used in my tutorial where I explained to you how to import data into your GAMA model. So we created this little model right here called test.gaml, and let's suppose we want to export the same data as we just imported. So let's suppose we want to export the test values list. We can use the save statement like this. And the next thing we do is we state the path. And again, we have to use the string format, so don't forget to do that. We want to save it to results. And we want to call the file test results. With the rewrite facet, we can state if we want to overwrite our previous values or we want to keep them. And lastly, we define the type of file that we want to save. So let's test if we actually are able to save this file into this results file. We just run the experiment because in the initialization we will save the file. So if I'm not mistaken, I can find the file in my results folder right here, test results. So this is how you save values from your GAMA file into a CSV format. These values you can of course use for further analysis. You can convert them to Excel values again. So this is how you export data from your GAMA model into a CSV file. If you want to know how to import data into your GAMA model, please click on the link below.